Ang lungkot pala ng kanta natin yan, no?
Ha?
Ang lungkot pala ng kanta natin yan.
No, hindi naman. Malungkot ba?
Sakto lang.
Nalungkot ka ba?
Medyo kasi pangarap lang kita, tapos...
Ano ba ang gusto mo para sumaya ka?
Hindi na ako nagsasalita dito sa gilid. Bahala na kayo dalawa siya.
Sorry.
Alright. Oy, wala kinig ba kayo doon? Okay. We're about to do a game, pero ewan ko kung napapanood niyo yung interview ko lagi kay Kim and Pao. I always ask them to pick questions. So, hindi ko na i-gatekeep. Meron akong questions ulit dito. Let's give them one.
Kaya pala isa lang yung pinasagot mo sa amin kanina.
Kimi, pick a question. Tatanungin mo kay Pao.
Okay. Eto na lang.
Go ahead.
The question is, now that, isa-isa, now that nakilala mo na ako, ano ba to? Would you ever go, nakakahiya! Ayoko nga!
Ako na.
Now that...
Next question.
Next question. Sige. Nahihiya si Kim eh.
Pag lalaki. Ayan. Kung manonominate tayo sa Best Kiss category, sa tingin mo, mananalo tayo and why? Grabe naman!
Uy, grabe naman yung sample. Yun naman ang grabe.
Sino bang kalaban?
Si Juliana daw, tsaka Victor yung
Ayun din pala.
Mananalo si Sec Kim tsaka si BMC compared kay Juliana at Victor.
Yeah!
Mananalo sila. Kasi nakailang practice sila eh.
Pao, your turn.
Sa lahat ng eksenang ginawa natin, saan ka pinakakinilig?
Saan ba? Sa lahat. So, direct. Siyempre sa karamihan ng mga eksena, cutie naman eh.
Yeah!
Hindi nakasagot!
Bigil na bigil. Okay, may game tayo with Kim and Pao. Kasama yung fans. Pili tayo ng 8 fans. Ganito lang yan. Ililiberate nyo yung sasabihin ni Kim sa kani Pao. Kung sino makahula, merong premyo. Okay, baba ako on side!
Thank you so much, guys! Maraming salamat sa pagsusuporta nyo sa What's Wrong with Secondary Kim. Picture, I got you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Until the next one. Thank you, View and Dreamscape.
Franco?
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa show namin, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Pwede nyo pa rin mag-binge watch sa View. At maraming salamat din sa Dreamscape. And of course, sa aming pinakamamahal na Kim Pao. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys.
Of course, syempre, Kim and Paolo.
Again, thank you. Alam ko, yung iba sa inyo malayong pinanggalingan. Salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo at sa pagsuporta nyo sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Habang buhay po namin tatanawin to na masasalamat sa inyong lahat. So thank you so much.
Yes, maraming salamat again. Kim Pao Cebu, Kim Pao Squad, Republic, Universe, Kim Nation, Kim Chi Global, mga Paolo, Natix, Kim Pao, Team Abroad. Sana wala kaming...
Wow, may team abroad pa?
Team Kimichu, sa lahat na nandito ngayon. And sa mga nasa taas, again, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. And nasa baba pala. Thank you so much. And MJ, thank you so much.
Of course, Kimi, Paolo, maraming salamat. Palapakan natin! The cast of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Maraming salamat ang Market. Good night. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye-bye! Bow. Ulit. One more. Kimi, ready, Kim, ready. 1, 2, 3. There you go. What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
Happy Pride! Thank you so much.
Thank you, Morgan. Party!
Mapapanood niyo pa rin po What's Wrong with Secretary Kim every weekends, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. Saturday, Sunday, 8 p.m.
Alright, well thank you guys again. Maraming salamat to our partners, ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment, CJ E&M, Choco Mucho, Everyday Heaven, Hyundai Innovate Everyday, Grab. Subscribe to Grab Unlimited and enjoy discounted Grab car rides and free Grab food delivery every day. Efficacy Oil Extreme, your trusted ginawa for sleep problems. Bello, get the swift lift with Linear Firm by Bello. At sa ating ground sponsor, Pediasure Plus, trust the pediatrician's most recommended brand for growth, mag-Pediasure Plus na.
MJ, I just want to give a big shout out and thank you to our team, Direct Chad, Direct Paco, and Miss Cathy, Ro, Q, Miss Garlic, everybody from Dreamscape, and Q. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Bigyan natin ng malaking palakpakan ang team ng Q at Dreamscape.
Alright, can I invite the View Philippines team please on stage? And yeah, isang photo lang, dito na tayo. This is our family day.
Sila Direk.
It's Direct Chad, Direct
Direct
Paco.
Paco.
Please, let's join. Roll, team ng Dreamscape Entertainment. And then after this, we're done. Maraming salamat. Garlic, let's go. View Philippines, ayan, ito na. One group photo lang, tapos we're done. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nagpunta dito ngayon sa Market. Ang nakikita nyo on stage right now is the team behind What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, View Philippines, Dreamscape Entertainment, and the cast of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.
Pwede pong lumipat yung iba dito.
Meron pa kami dito.
Meron pa po dito.
Pwede kayo dito.
Maluwag pa po dito para lang center.
Pwede kayo dito.
Closer.
Hindi kami
Okay.
nangangagat.
Ayan, yung bagong kasal daw ay Este, yung bida pala. Grabe!
Tan, tanan.
Alright, thank you very much! Thank you, Market! Have a good night! Ingat po kayo, happy weekend! Thank you, everybody!